Looking to make your iPhone's dark mode even more intense with super dark mode? You're in the right place. This feature is ideal for those who want a deeper, darker look, especially when you're in the low light conditions. Let's dive into how you can activate it. Step 1. Enable standard dark mode. Before you can switch to super dark mode, you need to have the standard dark mode turned on. Open your settings app, then scroll down until you see display and brightness and tap on it. Next, under the appearance section, choose dark. You can also switch on automatic to let your iPhone switch between light and dark modes based on the time of the day. Step 2. Turn on Smart Invert, super dark mode. Now let's get super dark mode activated. Open settings, then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Next, tap display and text size. Scroll down and toggle on Smart Invert. This will create a deeper dark effect, giving you that super dark mode experience. Step 3. Customize dark mode with reduced white point. For an even darker display, you can reduce the brightness of lighter colors. Go back to accessibility. Next, tap on display and text size. Scroll down and toggle on reduce white point. Adjust the slider to dim the brightness of whites and light colors on your screen. And that's it. But while following these steps, you'll have super dark mode enabled on your iPhone, giving it a seriously deep and immersive dark look. If this guide was helpful, drop a comment below to let me know.